Hello everyone, myself Anjali and recently I got selected in Air India as a cabin crew. And if you are preparing for cabin crew interview and you have no idea what to prepare, what questions HR can ask, what to wear, what documents should carry or what actually happens during the selection process, then this video is for you. Because in this video I am going to take you through a complete cabin crew interview preparation guide along with my personal Air India selection experience. So you have to know exactly what you need to prepare before walk-ins into the interview room. So make sure you watch till the end because I have also shared some mistake that you absolutely need to avoid. So the first one is check your eligibility. Before you even start preparing, the first thing you need to do is to check the airline's eligibility criteria. This can include your age, education qualification, height or reach requirements, communication skills, grooming and other airline specific requirements. And one important thing, you don't always need previous cabin crew experience. Many airlines hires freshers too. So if you are a fresher, don't feel that you are already behind. Focus on your communication, confidence, personality and customer service skills. Now, the second step is how to apply. Once you know you are eligible, the next step is applying. Always check the airline's official careers website and verified requirements announced for vacancies and also walk-in drives. Read the job description carefully and check all the requirements before applying. And please be careful with fake requirement link or people asking for money in exchange of job. Please don't do this thing. Be aware of this thing. Now let me tell you about my personal Air India selection process because I think this will give you a much clearer idea of what you can expect. So before my in-person interview rounds, I first have to clear the Hello assessment. My Hello assessment have different sections including a video assessment and then reading assessment, cognitive or situational based assessment and also a basic math section. Yes, there were maths question as well in the Hello assessment. So don't ignore basic calculations, speed, accuracy and logical thinking while preparing. After clearing the Hello assessment, I move forward in person selection process. My first round was documentation where my requirement documents were checked. And after that, I had my BMI round where my height and weight were checked. Then come to the group discussion round. And then my medical where check my overall scars and tattoos. And finally, after clearing the GD, I had my personal interview or you can say PI round. So my interview looked like this and of course the exact process can change depending on the airline and requirement drive, but I am sharing my personal experience so you know exactly how my Air India selection journey went. Now let's come to the most important part, interview question. There are some questions that you should definitely prepare before your interview. Let me give you some examples that are: tell me about yourself. Why do you want to become a cabin crew? Why should we hire you? Why do you want to join our airline? What are your strengths and weakness? And sometimes HR can ask a question based on your CV, education, work experience or personal background. My advice is that don't memorize your answer word to word. Prepare your points, understand what you want to say and practice speaking naturally. Because if you memorize everything, one unexpected question can make you very nervous. So another very important category is situational based question. For example, if an HR asks you, what do you do if a passenger refuses to follow safety instructions? Or how would you handle an angry passenger? So these questions are not just for checking your English. The interview wants to see your calmness, communication, problem solving skills and safety awareness. For experience based question, you can use the best method, that is STAR method. So S is for situation, what was happening. T, task, what are your responsibility. A, action, what did you do. And the last one is R, that is result, what was your outcome. So this help you for make the best structured answer instead of just giving a random response. And if you want 10 situational based question, then you can check my Instagram. Recently I uploaded the video so you can practice all this question on STAR method. Now, the next one is research the airline. Before your interview, please research the airline properly. Know basic information about the airline. It's destination, brand values, flight, and recent developments. And most importantly, prepare a genuine answer for why do you want to join our airline. Because please don't say because it's like a famous airline and stop there. Your answer should show that you have actually researched the company and understand why do you want to be a part of it. So if you are going for like Indigo's interview and if you are going for Air India's interview, first research the airline, what going on in that airline, and after that they will ask you some question related to your airlines also. Now let's talk about grooming. Cabin crew is a customer facing profession, so your over-representation matters. Wear a clean and professional formal outfit. Keep your hairstyle neat, makeup polished and professional. Nails clean and accessories minimal. And your shoes should be formal and comfortable enough for your walk confidently. And remember, professional grooming doesn't mean heavy makeup. So the goal is to look neat, confident and well presented. Now let's talk about your interview file. Keep all your documents properly organized. Carry your updated CV, identification documents like Aadhaar and PAN, educational documents, photographs and any other documents mentioned in the airline official instruction. And I personally prefer keeping everything in one organized file so that I'm not searching for documents at the last minute. And always check the specific requirements for your interview because this can vary every time. So whenever you are going for your interview, first you have to check everything, what your documents, what you have to carry, everything. Now, the next one is body language. Your answers are important, but your body language also create an impression. When you enter the interview room, greet the interviewer politely and sit straight, maintain natural eye contact, smile appropriately and listen carefully. And don't rush your answers. If you need a few seconds to think, take a small pause and then answer confidently. And you don't need to look like a perfect. You just need to look comfortable, confident and professional. Now, here are some common mistakes you should avoid. Number 1, memorizing answer word to word. Number 2, speaking too fast because you are nervous. Number 3, giving extremely long answers. Number 4, not researching the airline. Number 5, ignoring grooming and presentation. And number 6, trying to fake confidence instead of actually preparing. And remember, you don't have to be perfect to become a cabin crew. Just be confident, professional, well groomed and prepared. And if this video helped you, like, subscribe and comment below which airline you are preparing for.